This model kit review is of the MiG-21, and it is a model by Eduard, and it's the weekend edition, so it usually means a little less detail, not necessarily detail, but fewer parts, and 1/72nd scale. There's some, let's see here, there's the colors needed there, and some pictures of the sides. Well, let's have a look inside and see what we've got in the box. So first of all, it actually does come with some photo etched parts, as you can see there. Just a few little parts, but still, for a small little kit like that, a little unusual. We have some red plastic there, red clear plastic, and then some grey plastic. We'll have to look to see why it is that they're molded into that. This might be resin. These are resin parts here, and then clear plastic. Okay, let's look at our main screws. Eduard is typically very good quality, and I can already see here, looking at these parts here, that they're very well molded. Let's take them on out here. Looks like they're stuck. There we go. So first of all here, this has got a lot of parts on it, and very well molded. Great level of detail here. You can see all the little pieces here that are molded. The details there, that looks like the sides of the cockpit. So I guess that's if you're going to have some photo etched parts in there. That's if you're not going to do the photo etched parts for the sides of the cockpit there. We do have a little bit of flashing there, a little unusual. Here's our nose. Some more parts for our cockpit there. Fan. This is the fan as well, at least the cone for the nose. So here's our nose wheel landing gear. Here's some landing gear parts here. Here's some engine parts. There's the cockpit. But just an incredible amount of detail here. Some bulkheads, more details here for our cockpit. Just tremendous amount of detail. These must be our wheel well sides here. I like that when they're molded separately. That tells you it's a good model because you've got some detail there. You don't have to build it yourself. So that really is impressive. And then some more wheel parts here. Some nice detail there. Okay, next is our main body, and this is very nicely molded and really good quality. Typical for Eduard. Recessed panel rivet lines with a lot of detail. Here's the other side, just tremendously detailed. Here's the lower side of the wing. Again, this is just absolutely incredible. All the rivet lines. Here's the sides of the wings, the top sides. Just truly amazing. It looks like probably part of our exhaust here. And then looks like our that's our elevator. Some flaps here and ailerons, and then here's the top part of the fuselage with, again, just tremendous detail. Absolutely excellent how well molded this is. Okay, then lastly we've got our weapons here. Looks like a fuel tank, missiles here, some rockets. Looks like little points there. So there are our rocket pods there. Just a tremendous amount of detail. Very, very well molded. That's just very impressive. Next we've got our decals. Now this shows you a high quality model when you have this much detail here. and especially for a 1/72nd scale model. Look at that, we've got 2 decal sheets. This is for all the accents there, the different color schemes. Absolutely exceptional. Here's the detail here for our instrument panel, and then we have just so many more decals. That truly is impressive. Makes for such a better model. Here's our glass. Lots of glass pieces here. So 2 different windshields it looks like, and then 2 different canopies. Maybe 3 different canopies here. There's the clear part for our instrument panel. Okay, let's look at our instructions here. So first of all, parts that are not used in blue, so quite a few. And then there's the resin parts. And then these are the colors needed. So it gives you the code there and their color. And same with that. So it looks like we're going to start off with our cockpits, and that's the nose wheel well. Once we get that, we flip it over, build our cockpits, and as you can see here, you've got details. You can either put the decals on or you can do the actual the raised surfaces. I'd probably just do both. I like it actually on that. And we've got our instrument panel, and then build the rest of our cockpit. Here we're putting together looks like the main gear. Here we've got our engine and ductwork. All these details going in here. This is for the inside of the fuselage, and then we mount that along with our engine and exhaust. All that gets mounted inside the fuselage. Those are the lights that go underneath. Tremendous amount of detail. And then put our wings together. Now we've got our resin parts here, and that goes all over there on the top of the fuselage, and we mount that to the tail section to our fuselage, as well as our exhausts, and then our wings finally going on there, and then our windshield. Got our tail pieces, flaps all going on there, and then the nose gear and all those extra little details there. And then we've got air brake open or closed, and vertical strakes and all the extra little pieces. So many pieces, it's amazing. We're doing our main gear. And those are then mounted along with the wheel well covers. Now it looks like we're getting into let's see here, I'm not actually sure what those are. Maybe for takeoff, some rockets for takeoff there, and air brake open there. We're going to put our ejection seat in. There's a fair amount of detail there on the ejection seat, and then the rest of the parts for the nose, including our canopy. I like to keep it open, especially with the amount of detail here. And then all the pylons. And then we've got some fuel tanks, and then missiles. So here are some different options. So looking at the references, those are your options for the fuel tanks, and these are options for missiles. And then, wow, look at this. What an absolute tremendous amount of detail here for our 1/72nd scale. All those decals. And here are the colors needed. More details here for the decals. And here's another option. And then these are the stencils for all the different parts on the pylons. I mean, that's just amazing. To have that level of detail is just phenomenal. I'm really impressed with this kit. And then here are all the common stenciling positions with all the extra little details. As you can see, it's just absolutely tremendous. So that is just absolutely phenomenal. What an incredible kit. It's going to be more than one weekend there. Tremendous detail. The decals are incredible. The level of detail and molding is absolutely incredible as well.